Good morning, all students. Today we are conducting the next lecture of Basic Electricals and Electronics. In previous lecture, we have studied about the shunt capacitor filter and series inductor filter. In today's lecture, we are going to study the LC filter. Means in this filter, there is a presence of inductor as well as capacitor. So inductor will filter out the current and capacitor will filter out the voltage. So this is LC filter. So obviously both the components are working for filtering out. Hence we know that the filtration amount will be more. म्हणजे AC मध्ये DC मध्ये AC चा प्रेझेन्स हा अजून कमी होणार. Output will be the straight line. Okay. So constant output will be generated at the output of LC filter. So again we have three circuits: center tap full wave rectifier with LC filter, half wave rectifier with LC filter, bridge full wave rectifier with LC filter. So in this way there are three circuits of LC filter. So we'll see one of the circuits and we'll see one of the working, how it will work. So let me share the screen now. So see the shared screen. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, on the left hand side, we can see this is a circuit. Okay, this circuit is of bridge full wave rectifier with LC filter. As you can see, L, this is L and this is the C. Okay, so this is the C, means shunt capacitor filter. Why the name is given series inductor filter, shunt capacitor filter? As you can see, this is the load. Means this is the load means anything that sinks current. म्हणजे ज्याला करंट पाहिजे असतो किंवा व्होल्टेज पाहिजे असतो, मग तो बल्ब असेल, मोबाईल असेल, बॅटरी असेल, कम्प्युटर असेल, वॉट एव्हर that device is nothing but the load. So many times load is shown with the help of resistor. So generally load is shown in the help of resistor. So here you can see load is there. This capacitor is in parallel with the load. As you can see, the two terminals are connected together, correct? So that's why this is in parallel. Hence it is called as a shunt capacitor filter. Component is capacitor and it is parallel. Hence shunt word is there. Okay. And this resistor is in series with the inductor. As you can see, this is a series combination. You already studied in first year in physics that what is meant by parallel, what is meant by series. So this is series inductor. Hence it is called as a series inductor filter. Inductor is filtering out current and capacitor is filtering out the voltage. So in this way the filtration takes place. So this circuit is full wave bridge rectifier with LC filter, correct? So this is a full wave bridge rectifier with LC filter. So this is a full wave bridge rectifier with LC filter. As you can see, 4 diodes are there, correct? D1, D2, D3, D4. So we have already studied in previous chapter how it will work. This sine wave is converted in the form of pulsating DC. This is a pulsating DC, means not pure DC, not pure AC. So this is pulsating DC. Okay, means DC आहे पण त्याच्यात AC चे कंटेंट आहे. मग AC म्हणजे काय तुम्ही बघू शकता, ते फ्लक्च्युएटिंग DC आहे, म्हणून आपण म्हणतो पल्सेटिंग DC. ओके, मग आपल्याला ते काय पाहिजे, प्युअर DC. Pure DC in the sense we want this straight output. So this pulsating DC is applied to this filter, LC filter. Okay, so this LC filter will filter out the AC component. Filter काय करेल, AC काढून टाकेल, पुढे फक्त DC पास करेल, correct? So what this inductor will do, this inductor it will filter out the current. आपल्याला माहित आहे की इंडक्टर मधून जाणारा जो करंट आहे तो करंटला अपोज करत नाही, तर तो करंट मध्ये होणाऱ्या चेंजला अपोज करतो. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस करंट इज चेंजिंग. as you can see this current is changing. So obviously this inductor will oppose this change in flow of current, correct? So this current tries to remain constant. Purna constant now tries to remain constant like this. As you can see, this red dotted line is there. So this is trying to remain constant. म्हणजे इंडक्टर काय करतो की तो करंटला फिल्टर आउट करतो. And capacitor, obviously this you can see here, this is Vm, correct? So this Vm, that is voltage is applied, this voltage is applied to the capacitor, and this capacitor obviously up to this point charging will take place, from this point discharging will take place. परत पुढच्या हाफ सायकल मध्ये काय होणार, चार्जिंग परत डिस्चार्जिंग, चार्जिंग डिस्चार्जिंग. म्हणजे जे तुमचं पल्सेटिंग आउटपुट होतं ते चार्जिंग डिस्चार्जिंग मुळे बऱ्याच प्रमाणात कॉन्स्टंट होते. इट इज बिकमिंग समवॉट कॉन्स्टंट. मोर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॅपॅसिटर विल चूज, म्हणजे 10 मायक्रोफॅरेडच्या ऐवजी 100 मायक्रोफॅरेड, 1000 मायक्रोफॅरेड जर तुम्ही यूज केला तर ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्स्टंट आउटपुट मिळेल तुम्हाला ह्या लाईनसाठी. ओके, सो दिस इज capacitor filter which is filtering out the voltage, and this series inductor which is filtering out the current. Okay, so in this way this inductor and capacitor is filtering out the current and voltage. So this LC filter is there which is filtering out the current, and this pulsating DC, then at the output of filter you are getting voltage or current like this. As you can see, input is sinusoidal wave, it is converted to pulsating DC, and then it is converted to almost pure DC. जर इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटरची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही लार्ज चूज केली तर ऑब्वियसली output will be constant like this. So it is very simple. So if you take any circuit, that is half wave rectifier, then again this action will take place. If you take the center tap full wave rectifier, then this action will take place. So what you have to write is in exam that your rectifier is there. Rectifier converts the sinusoidal AC wave into pulsating DC. The working you already know that in forward bias which diode becomes in positive half cycle, which diode becomes forward bias, which diode becomes reverse bias. So which current flows, which current not flows. So everything is same like in rectifier circuit, but just the difference with filter is that you are applying output of the filter, sorry, rectifier to the filter, and filter is filtering out the current as well as the voltage. If the inductor is used, then it is filtering out the current. If capacitor is used, it is filtering out the voltage. It is very simple. Okay, so this is the working of full wave bridge rectifier with LC filter. If they are asking that in paper, suppose they are asked question center type rectifier with LC filter, then only this circuit is replaced. See, I am making this part red, correct? So this is nothing but this is bridge rectifier. So instead of this, what you will do, you will use the full wave center type rectifier, where this, suppose this is the inductor, sorry, the transformer, then this circuit will be there, correct, for center tap, and at the center the transformer is tapped like this. So then here what, this is series inductor, this is parallel capacitor, this is parallel capacitor. Yes, this is it. This is the circuit of, what you can say, this is the circuit of center tap full wave rectifier. It is very easy. Getting? So it is very simple. If this is the case of half wave rectifier, then obviously whatever this red circle circuit is there, instead of that, only one diode half wave rectifier circuit will be there. It is very simple. Getting? I hope everyone is cleared now. Okay. You are getting 5 minutes to revise it. If you are having question, you can turn on your mic or you can post in chat box. Okay. So this is the circuit of LC filter. So as you can see, AC converted into pulsating DC, pulsating DC is converted into pure DC. Okay. So if you use large value of L and C, then this current will be total constant current.